Rise and shine, guys, rise and shine. It's your boy Rayman here, AKA Ray of Sunshine, AKA Mr. Mufasa in the building, baby. And I've just realised that I've forgotten to put my mic on. 1 second. I'm here in my little guest house in Stown Town, Zanzibar. Right on the west coast when you enter Zanzibar from the port. I'm staying here with a few guys. One guy from Kenya, 2 guys from France, and a girl from France, and 1 guy from Austria. This is my room. This is this old period buildings, man. Really quirky. It was really weird coming in last night when it was dark. Look at these doors, man. Old period. Doors and architecture's all sort of Arabic influenced, and from the different empires.
I would never do that.
Allez, let's go.
We wait for. Oh, okay.
I'm ready.
Wow, that's nice.
Are you already recording?
Yeah,
I should not say shit, right?
No, you can say what you want.
He's going to get the...
I will send you the bill for the.
Guys, this is the crazy gang I met over in the west coast of Zanzibar, in Paje.
Oh shit.
Guys, where are you all from? I know he's from Kenya, definitely.
France.
Swahili.
France.
Oh, France? No, you're kidding.
France
Everyone else and yourself?
Go.
You?
everywhere.
Yeah, yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm a citizen
Paris,
of
Paris.
abroad. And yourself?
I'm from France.
Ah, Francais.
Let's go.
Guys, this is Stown Town, man. Welcome to Stown Town. Really old period buildings, guys. This building, you see this building just here? You got all these narrow streets. This building is being held up literally by wood. Wooden acros. So, guys, Stown Town is basically full up with these narrow streets, man. Where are we going, David?
We're going to buy some horses. Then we're going to the fort.
Oh, they have a cafe inside the middle of the fort, right? Okay. We're going to the... Oh, okay, yeah. The old fort, guys. That's where we're going to. Guys, I'm just fascinated by these old streets, man. They really remind me of, you know, the film Aladdin, when they were in Agrabah. One of my favorite Disney films, man, honestly. My favorite film's Aladdin from Agrabah. Hustle and bustle everywhere. What street is this, David? Are we still in Lebanon Street? Are we still in Lebanon Street? Oh, this is a different street. Whoa, so beautiful. Mambo. Asante. Mambo. I just smell the fresh soap. Mambo.
Next to the doors, like a hole, and with a little thingy. I will show you.
The description was really terrible. I thought you were talking.
We've just stopped because the guys want to get a little samosa, a little snack.
No. You want a cinnamon cake?
No, I'm cool. They actually, some of these guys have been in India for over 2 years, you know. You've been in India for 2 years. He's been in India for 2 years.
She did 6 months.
6 months. So their stomachs are used to this food, man. Me, boy, I can't risk it, man.
Yeah? No, the one where we skipped last time. Like at the...
You want to go?
Hey, do I want to try? No, thank you. Apana Sante. It's good.
Yeah.
And how much do you pay for that?
It's like 20 cents.
20 cents?
Ngapi?
25 cents.
25 cents. For all? For one?
Yeah, 25.
For one. Wow.
C'est combien?
Pas la
total.
Ah, pardon. On regardait la... On parle de Crystal Castle.
Ah bon.
Multiplied by 5. It's 2,500.
Is it free looking?
No charge.
Mambo.
How good?
What is this? Oh, you're polishing.
Yeah, I'm polishing to be shine.
Oh, nice. In Zuri. Zuri.
Ah, yeah. Coffee or the little coffee.
Hello.
What do you mean by your coffee?
Hello. Hello. Hey. No foto. Ndio foto.
Ouais, mais moi j'ai bien envie de faire le truc pyro.
So you see all this architecture here that we're seeing is from, you know, the Omani Arabic Empire who came here and you know, did what they did, and it's also got the Portuguese influence here and Indian influence here. Well, this is where you get the coffees from?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You want another cup? It's just coffee or just this?
I think might just take some of yours.
T'en veux pas, Lucas?
Celui-ci il doit être bien serré. We'll go on the toilet immediately.
Not
because it's bad.
Thank
you.
How is it?
It's coffee.
It's good?
It's coffee.
It's oh, okay.
That's
I was
very
just
good
having a
news.
taste of it.
It's coffee. We asked for a coffee, so it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, you got some? Yep.
Oh, it's fine.
But we're still going to the cafe. So. 1,000.
For all of
Yeah,
them?
it's like 30 people. Espresso. No, I'm cool. Cool.
This I don't like.
I love it.
Like the version of shortbread.
So 1,050 cents. So it's really sweet and I love it.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, this is a little bit fun.
Yeah.
What do you think of the coffee?
It's very nice. Honestly, it's good.
He's recording your accent, man.
Yeah,
Kofi बहुत अच्छा है.
it's very funny because the flag have nothing local.
Barney the
I
bear.
don't know what he did, but it's probably American.
Yes, American cartoon series.
Can you have to call Becca to tell him about 2 p.m.?
If any of you guys are worried about safety in Stown Town, and they've got cameras, as you can see up there. Look. You see that? They've got them everywhere now, like on every single road here in Stown Town. You find cameras now. So the crime was pretty minimal before, you know, being a Muslim and Islamic country. Someone come look at this. Oh.
There's the lion
Wow.
with a big joint.
Wow, that's beautiful, man. They're beautiful. Hey, man.
Check this is like one of the most oldest door, like on the right.
Oh, wow.
Like almond, it's like really super done.
What they? Man, it's like a maze walking around all of these little back streets trying to find your way to the main road. You know, it's like the famous saying, if you want to find yourself, you've got to lose yourself first. Guys,
passing show.
guys, it looks like we're going to be eating in this place called Luckman. It's a very well-known place here for locals and tourists. Mambo, salam alaikum. Mambo. Hello.
Welcome.
Asante.
Now, Karib.
Oh, Asante. Asante.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah, I feel, yes. Oh man, this is cool, man. I think the gang is upstairs, man. Let's go join them. You would think I'm used to filming after all of that in Senegal, you know. Traveling the whole country for 4 months almost. I'm still still weird walking around with a camera, you know.
It's very nice water to wash your hands. Very good quality water. But she's so cute.
The veggie biryani
No,
she took
Ted
last
is too
time.
much, you know.
The veggie. Oh, it's good. It's good.
I take sandal.
C'est où la banana chicken?
Remember the name?
Kukuchama?
Ah, Kukuchama. Do they have it? I should have it.
Well, I would love to take a date milkshake.
Instead of the mango.
Soup with water. Nazi is coconut.
Ah.
The first one comes cooked with coconut. The second one comes cooked with
And so
water.
this you eat it with the chapati, I guess?
Yeah, you eat with chapati, rice, ugali. Yeah.
Okay, I took the Nazi one
Oh,
already
nice.
yesterday.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, David.
I'm very happy you take a nice.
And Kisombo,
Where is it?
the third one.
Yes.
What is it? And batata? Ah, it's potato.
It's African delight.
Which one?
I'll probably get a masala tea
Arabic
after
pizza?
the food.
Ah, no, on the other side.
Yeah, me too.
This one.
Batata. This is potatoes
Potatoes?
cooked in like hot curry. Ooh. Yeah.
Which one?
This is like do you remember the
It's so weird because like they bring out the food before they bring out the drinks. Like, oh man, we're all like super thirsty. And then they bring out the food like in drips and drabs, so no one gets to really eat together.
No.
Just the coconut vegetables.
I got it. Yeah. Rest today.
On the carving by hand work. Right now, still inside.
You and your love for kitties.
Just had lunch, finished up, and now we're gonna go to Prison Island. We'll have to take a boat there from this island, and yeah, Prison Island has a long and sad history behind it, so we're gonna get to check that out now. We'll also get to see the tortoises, you know, that live up to in excess of 200 years old.
En gros, on est passé dans la rue, il y a deux chats qui couraient à côté.
Love.
Guys, I'm on another boat again, man. I'm always on boats, man, in Africa. From West Africa to East Africa.
As you are very nice, we're gonna say, oh, we're gonna miss you in 2 days, so I can.
We're going to go to is it Nakopenda Island?
Nakupenda, yeah.
Nakopenda. And then Prison Island after, yeah? Yeah, so we're going to Nakopenda Island first and then Prison Island after. Prison Island is just there behind me. Nakapenda's there. The island of love. Nakapenda means I love you. I love you. Nakopenda. Nakopenda.
Oh là là, oh là là.
Elle a l'air descendue vachement vite.
C'est bien ma mémère.
Finger.
Is it your finger?
Yes.
It's okay. I'm gonna. It's cool.
Salut Victor.
Guys, we just left Prison Island and now look, the sand that we come up on when we left the boat has just literally been submerged now by the water. The tide has come in now.
His name is
Our boat driver's there, we're gonna go back to the mainland, Zanzibar over there, can you see? And we're gonna go get something to eat now for the evening time. I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
Can you see the guy doing front flips over there?
Tu vas arriver à 200 vers